Time to march, boys. Eyes open, guns up. We're taking that position. Digging out the section command post. Royal Engineer, little stroll into Jerry's line. Nothing to worry about. Section command's done. Let's get men on the front line. Sappers receiving. We're taking that position.
What you got for us?
Sappers, round needs taken, boyos. What's the task?
Orders.
Jump to it, lads. Move in. After you.
We're raring
to go. Ready weapons. Combat patrol. A Dingo recon vehicle has been made ready. You need a Dingo?
Try to get familiar. We see one of them lying around. Take it. We need all the firepower we can get.
Sappers on site. What do you need blowing
Scout
up?
car. Let's get rolling,
Jerry's
lads.
is ours. Can we blow it up now?
Patrol, boys. Be ready. Get to it. What's that all up?
Orders, yeah, we're secure that position. Drive them up.
4 foot down, driver. Make a move. Hold tight. It's gonna get rough. I think we got their attention, lads. Back up. Back us up. Ready? Come on! We're terracing over there!
Territory sector lost, Commander.
What cover you got?
MG ready.
Oh wait, did it stop?
Full stop!
We're losing a victory point to enemy action.
Scout car's in trouble here! Dingo under enemy fire! Back!
Oh wait, did move, boys!
We're losing a victory point.
Enemy vehicle wrecked! Throw it!
Victory point lost. The enemy has control.
Enemy vehicle burning! Move wide!
Sam, here we go.
We stand, come on! Let's hear it!
We're whinging and march.
On it.
Sector overrun. The enemy has it.
Post is done. Call in what you need.
Fueled up and ready.
We got orders, lads. Recce package incoming. You remember the drill?
Vickers MG. Redeploy! Scout car here!
Stow that gear, boys. We're going.
Take your stations, we're heading out. We're up, love!
Oh, bugger me!
Under
They
fire!
opened fire on us!
Of course we can handle it!
That infantry! Let them have it, lads!
Promoted, lad! We read you!
The boys need a trench! Get digging!
Vickers deploying! We're standing by! Dingo, in combat!
Always eager to serve. Recon flare going out.
The beggars are threatening a fuel point.
Will it be, sir?
Boys are finished.
Wrestling territory.
For the enemy.
Stop that, come on, chaps, we've got to move! Stop, start! What now? present. Boss man says take it, we take it, right?
HMGT
Moving
ready!
out, chums.
Anti-tank crews are on standby for orders.
Jump to it, lad, come on. The point won't capture itself.
We've got orders to move, so move.
What a beauty!
You're the boss.
Royal Engineers, ready. Starting the work.
Always no rest for the wicked. Chaps, wait a minute. Hang about, lads. Take a breather. Head into the location. Steady now.
Mines laid.
Humber armored car ready for reconnaissance.
He's dead!
Here we go.
Scout car! Dingo, scouting ahead!
Rifle section ready!
Fire request!
Pin! Keep your heads down!
Get in and down his head over there.
Move!
We've lost the sector to the enemy.
Friendly! We're pinned!
Ready. Enemy territory, so be careful!
Live in! Head into our destination now.
Pinned! Keep your heads down!
Commander Paradrops has the green light.
Getting into position.
Go on, Sappers. Follow it.
Lazy buggers.
You orders! Scout car!
Is it load bearing?
We'll risk it for a biscuit, won't we?
Take your stations, we're heading out.
Lads.
Vehicle Dingo, scouting ahead.
I think we're up. Head into our destination now.
Right, Dad, we're capturing that point. Lead on,
Raring
right.
to go. All set. Pushing on with the attack.
We're losing a munitions point to enemy action.
You need a victor? MG deploying under fire! Ready for action! Armored car! Looking for trouble!
Shifting position.
Right! Right!
Dingo recon vehicle has been destroyed.
Standing by! Deploy!
Blast! The Humber armored car is gone. Heavy machine gun crew killed.
Royal Engineers here.
Hold that one! One off!
Come on, too close, Sappers. Take it hit. Fall back out.
Artillery fire going out!
You have 3 command points available. We've lost a sector.
Company command wants their post here.
Capture point is being contested. The enemy has claimed a sector. The beggars are threatening a victory point.
We got
Pack it
orders,
up, lads. We're moving.
Victory point belongs to the enemy.
What's the task?
Head into the location.
Sappers, lead on, David.
Resource caches will yield a surplus, Commander. We shall construct them in the field.
Sappers,
Come on,
eager to
ladies,
shift some
while
dead
we're
weight.
young.
Oh, we're needed elsewhere, lads.
Ready for
Let's
trouble.
get to it.
Keeping up the pressure.
Ready to fight.
Sappers receiving
Quick
orders.
wind.
In march.
We're raring to go.
Come
Grab
on,
that gear
ladies,
and no
while we're
go.
young.
The enemy has taken our territory. Damnation! The sector's in enemy hands.
Always eager to serve.
Guns up! We're patrolling points. Moving into Jerry territory.
Quiet
Down. This smells like sausage headquarters.
Trouble the way, lads. Combat patrols suspect trouble.
We got orders, lads.
I say we have guards on standby.
Shots up there for action.
What we see?
You got orders?
Oh, it's happening, yeah? Work it!
Get out of his range!
Onto our heads!
Cover his position! Hold back!
Anti-tank weapon and crew on the field.
Orders are coming.
Initiating rollout of battlefield rations for the men. They've lost contact with our sappers.
I think we're getting you orders, chaps.
Bomber Command has incendiary devices ready to drop.
Aye, we're moving. Loader, you with me?
What say you?
What you got? Let's get the job done. Pushing on with the attack.
We'll tackle it.
Right, weapons in. Right.
Quick,
We're raring. No rest for the wicked.
like you've never marched before. Kill the bounders! Get yourself in order around that flag! They seem to be shooting at us! What the hell? Never! We're being honoured! Get in order, Bob! Cover me! We're stuck here! Head down!
Weapons. Hacking up, lads. We've got orders. We're moving, lads.
Come move! Get out!
What you got, Will?
Keep firing!
Single like you chaps.
Guards under heavy suppressive fire!
What's the story? Green light! Green light! Clear all of them! Unit is here! Clear them! The beggars are threatening a munitions point.
I'm getting more rounds incoming! Spread out! Contact! Bloody massive buggers! Come on,
Commandos are on station and ready.
Wait! We're target!
We secured your site. Take the point. Don't stop.
How do? We're having a bet!
It's Eagle. You got orders? Pushing on with the attack.
Who's he calling Tommy? Only Cheer it up, Billy.
The lads are ready to drop.
Through. Ready weapons. Combat patrol. Keeping up the pressure. Let's go looking for trouble, shall we?
No, you new chaps.
Marching's for open guard. We're running. Ammunition charge. Rick. Should have stayed in His Majesty's hotel. Job done. There's a whistle.
You need a personal invitation.
Get
Bloody
building
the way.
field infirmary.
Onward to our
Destination.
We're ready to go. Marching there. Advancing to attack.
We're losing a fuel point. We've lost communication with one of our squads. A victory point is being overrun. Royal Marines have made ready a victory point under enemy control.
6-pounder anti-tank gun, ready.
Orders, Spanners,
Hold
to our
here.
range! Heads down,
Hey,
you
let's get the job
Spanners!
done.
Pin down!
What you got for us?
We're pinned down! They got our
We're
range!
losing a victory point.
Get it over with. Open up.
We're pinned down!
HMT silence.
Pinned
Position
down!
cleared. We'll
The enemy has our victory points now. RAF inbound! Here you go, lads! Get cracking! Job done. Heading home. Storm incoming! The sector is in enemy control. One of our commando sections has been lost.
Someone marching. Minefield. We can't move. I'm taking fire from it. Pull back. 6-pounder. Standing by.
Commandos, moving on that there area!
Conditions nominal. Ready to drop. That's Mirama. We moving. It's on us to capture that there point.
Orders. Right, men, let's do it, lads. On your feet.
How do? Weighing on you, sir. We're taking that capture point. What's Jerry's?
It's ours.
AT gun, you got orders? Shift in position. Grab the other side, we're moving. Enemy armor. Here's a lucky day. Wicked.
Reinforcements stand.
We'll crack them open.
My commando.
6-pounder waiting on you, sir. We'll shoot it. Take you cooking. Hold on. On it.
Right inside.
Billy, check the patch.
How do?
We're gonna capture that point.
What you got for us? All set.
The Bosch are pushing hard. We're down to 250 points.
We got orders to move. Let they can bleed for it!
We're moving. Loader, you with me?
Under fire! Get us out now, you tosser! Move! Get that point captured!
Lancaster bombers loaded and awaiting a target.
Not to the point! Finish! Take the lead!
Stop me! Let's go looking for...
Commandos, taking losses! Take that target out! Enemy squad!
Sector lost. Repeat, sector lost.
6-pounder, I'm marching there. Stopping! No rest but wicked. That's right. Marching.
The Sentinel close support tank is ready to assist our infantry.
Orders. Let's go. Hold here.
being overrun. Your victory point is in enemy hands. Until there are infantry support available, the tank has been lost. We're losing a few points to enemy action.
To advance, lad. His Majesty. Been ordered to advance. Badly, lads. Heading out. Be still, you men. Stop, everyone. Back it up, lads.
Advancing! Raven! Ready for take and hold!
Oh, let's get a ladder on.
Get a move on! Don't stop moving! We're taking this point!
Moving across the lake. The beggars are threatening a victory point.
Fuck that bloody asset!
Now you're sucking, Diesel. We've got a target. This'll fire those agents some. We have command points available. Heavy driver!
Shut down in the drive!
Matilda! Moving out! Standing by!
What should we do next?
Getting traction!
Mirka, follow me, lads. Because you play, we need volunteers to man that weapon.
Loaded and clearing
Get over here!
Enemy vehicles going nowhere!
Hold your feet! Get bloody moving! Up and on!
Ready to go!
Driver! Go ahead! Depot, prepare! Push it! Enemy tank! We're engaged! Weapon crew killed in action. Ready to come smack him with his stun gun! Hey, back up! Cut and run! Back! Armored vehicles are receiving frontline training. 17-pounders are being made available. Pull over!
We're right, men. Let's look lively.
You'll have to try harder than that,
Ready
lad!
for trouble.
We're losing a victory point to enemy action. Back up! Move! Commander, our attackers have finished their drills and not a moment. Victory point lost. The enemy has control. Prepare! Push it! A victory point has been overrun. All base full, Commander! Victory point under enemy control. Commander, you have CPs available. Commander, enemy forces hold all victory points. Command point available. American tank guns to be deployed. Bloody bastard! Open fire! We have 200 points remaining.
Take the enemy point! Don't stop for anything! We're taking that capture point! Artillery!
The enemy has pushed us back from our sector.
Hey, what's the word?
How do? Commandos here!
Armor ready,
clear.
I got orders, Anna. On me, lad. Waiting on you. Come on, lads. Orders here.
You need a tank? A Matilda heavy tank has been completed. Matilda heavy tank. Matilda, connect.
Loading. Commandos here.
Driver, stop here. Heavy tank, stand ready. Advance and keep an eye out. T-type heading in that direction, chaps.
Orders coming.
Ready for
Billy,
orders.
shut your
Let's
goal.
get a ladder on.
Towed 17-pounder anti-tank guns are being called up.
Or follow me, lads. Quick as you please.
Matilda infantry support available for orders.
Off you go. Onward to our destination.
Martians for
I think we're
Outguard.
getting you on. We
running.
have our destination, lads.
We're losing a victory point to enemy action. 17-pounder anti-tank guns available. Victory point is in enemy hands.
Contact! Massive bugger!
Enemy ground. Commanders MIA. Resume kill.
Your squad's have one last.
Where's the Matilda taking minor damage? It's gone second, you halfway. Cover the gate! Watch for rocket fire! Where's the not exactly inconspicuous, are we? Territory lost.
Looks like the fight's come to us. Open fire.
Mr. Churchill has orders!
On your feet. Get bloody moving.
Walker thinks he has a chance! Hey, slow!
Yes, tugging it ready.
The Navy is ready to obliterate enemy emplacements. On your word. Who may we sail? Moving across the lane, buddies. Give on to your stations! Understood! Full stop! Back up! Move! Cut and run! Back! Let's go! No! Copy! Let's eliminate some anti-tank crews are on standby for orders. Engines chugging along. Now then. Give us the mission! Pull over! Let's get Jerry up. On the driver! Halt! Reverse! Push it! Last warning! Move! Combat patrol crew! Fire at will! We're safe! Lost!
Stand tomorrow, all back.
Jerry has 300 points remaining. Come on, chaps, we've got to move! Matilda, getting there! Load up! Just identify those targets! On your back up! Move! Orders time! Let's get rolling, lads. Steady on. Who taught you how to bloody drive?
All right, on King, let's get started. Shifting the business end.
Queen of the desert, driver! Reversers! Her talents are needed! Get going, driver! A fuel point is being overrun. Heavy double stop! At haste! Come on, the haste! Royal Engineers on the field and ready for your orders. That's going to leave a mark. Cut and run up into it! MG clear! Bugger me! That's high velocity fire! We're losing a victory point. Rear-wheel drive? Move! Stop! What now? Ready to... Victory point belongs to the enemy.
It's like you've never marched before.
The beggars are threatening a victory point. Damnation! The sector's in enemy hands. The enemy has our victory points now.
Taking hits from enemy armor! Yes, good shooting! Reload as you like!
Where do you need the gun?
Armor standing by! Join the driver! Little haste if you don't mind.
Sappers, let me get.
I acknowledge.
Guard.
You need a personal intervention. What's the action, John? Not see a man about a dog. Right! Driver! Slow down!
God, hatching it up now.
Pack it up, lads. We've got orders.
Grant's medium tanks are being called to the front.
Let's get a ladder on. Don't bother! Deal with it ourselves! Take the ground and hold it! Yes, sir! Let's get that point secured! We're taking this point!
Stock requisition of Grant's complete, Commander.
Quit mucking about! Order we're taking that point for the honour of the regiment. Oh, forward! Nice and brisk, chaps. We're moving out! Hold on, men. Stand still. Up to it, lads! One foot after the other. Guards, you've got work to do! Right, off we go! Wait a minute, everybody! Iron service! Up the pace, men! Guards here!
Repairs finished.
We're rather busy! We've got men! We're advancing!
The Bosch are losing ground. Down to 250 points now.
On those chaps! Need you to attend? Yes, sir! Need of a tank, lads!
Sapper, let me guess. We should see the other guy. Good as new. Repairs finished.
Command coming through! Clean the boys can handle it!
Shut it. Complain when we're
Tell
done.
the heavy tank! We have a new... Let's get going, laddies!
Our victory point is being overrun. The enemy is down to 200 points. Carry on. Victory point under enemy control.
You combat, patrol! They're already in combat! We're awaiting order!
The Grant medium tank is reporting in.
Let's go in combat!
The beggars are threatening a fuel point.
Take it round!
Incidental close to port is out of action. Enemy ground forces have claimed the sector.
Help me into that!
We're losing a victory point to enemy action. We're losing a victory point.
Matilda, breathing space, if you please. Lads, clear the way. Elsewhere, lads. Sit down. Get to work. A crew's on standby. Third pallet, Matilda, getting there. Engines chugging along.
tank has been destroyed.
Hey, Rangers, man! Order confirmed! Queen of the desert, let's get going, laddies.
Light vehicle, eager to go.
What you got for us?
Heavy tank at the ready. Driver, let the devil know we're coming. Matilda has target. Move to engage.
Is Sector lost? Repeat, Sector lost.
Hold the distance! Full stop! Fire up, hold it! Infantry target down! Through! Force up here! Reverse! Push it! Loaded and ready to go!
Back in your seats.
Down we go. Get unhitched.
You need a
Prepare
vessel, we're
facing.
moving out,
17
chums.
pounders setting up. Clear
All
out.
right, boys. Get on that gun. Send your message.
Aye, we're ready. We'll get it done.
What the bloody hell is this? Doesn't look like one of ours. Take your stations. We're heading out. We finished our orders.
17 pounds. Shifting the business end. Advancing to attack.
We have our destination, lads. Double time on that point.
We are losing territory.
Tons of mismanaged steel here.
Light vehicle, eager
Clear,
to go.
throttle up, pull over!
Space crew. We're raring to go. Backing up, lads. We've got
The
orders.
Matilda heavy tank has been completed.
Heavy, advance! Moving, laddies!
We're on. Come on.
The enemy has pushed us back from our sector. Come on, chaps, we've got to move. Ready for more? Off we hear ya. Let's get to it.
We're moving. We're moving.
There's a job
We
that needs
finished our
doing.
orders.
Let's grab that bloody engine and get moving. Queen of the breathing space, if you please.
Ready for trouble. Orders. Jump to it, lads. Prepare facing. 17 pounders setting up. Shifting the business end. Holding for a mo.
Royal Engineers trained and ready to go.
Shifting the business end.
Territory lost.
Prepare facing. 17 pounders
We'll
setting
lose
up.
We just lost an anti-tank gun.
Ready for action.
Our anti-tank gun crew has been killed.
Ready for trouble. Shifting the business end. Smoke them in.
Matilda tank knocked out in the field.
Royal Engineers, yeah?
17 pounder. Eager for targets.
What's the task? Stow that gear, boyos. We're going. Sappers, eager to shift some anti-tank gun needs manning. We'll ruin someone's day. Probably mine. Boiling time to march, boyos. Come on. Hatching it up now.
Build up and mirror signal primer. Ready for more.
Sappers on site.
What did you
Guards
do with
away secure that area and look lively about it.
CWT truck rolling in now.
Sappers receiving orders.
Matilda, heavy
Sherry's
tank.
got it in for us.
We have a new destination.
Royal Engineers out of contact. Dead. we're moving anyway. Mind the bump. Driver, hold your horses.